Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well in these videos and the tasks given to you previously, and you have completed all the tasks which have been given till now. So now today, day 5, what we would be doing is the art of effective communication. It's a one word answer to the art of effective communication, and the answer is listen. The more you listen, you would get more knowledge. When you are talking, you would be talking about those things which you already know. But when you are listening, you would be listening more which you don't know. So talk less, listen more. Now, scientific explanation about it. You have one mouth but 2 ears. Listen more, talk less. Now, the art of effective communication. Now, what I would say you more is that you need to read this book, The Art of Effective Communication. Listen, by Dale Carnegie. You need to read this book about the art of effective communication. Now here, you need to listen more. The more you listen, the more you talk to people, the more people you listen to, the more open they would be with you, the more friendly they would be with you. What are you doing? How are you doing? If you ask someone this question, they will be very happy to answer it. If you ask about their interest, that how was your day? What did you do today? Now here you are striking a conversation and you are winning that friend, or you are winning that person. How was your day today? What did you do? Now people want to talk about themselves, and if you are giving them your ears to them, they will be very happy out there. Now here, that happens mostly in your business when you're doing a sale conversation. That would happen as such. So concentrate more on listening. Listen more to be an effective communicator. Listen more, understand more. I hope you guys are getting it. So this task for you in this particular day is that you have to read this book, which is The Art of Effective Communication by Dale Carnegie. The link would also be there about the book. Understand it, whether you read it in total or you read just what's that overview in it, much better it would be. All right, so see you all in the next 6th day, where I'll be talking about something very interesting. Make sure that you complete all these 5 tasks and then come towards the 6th video. Things are getting interesting because I'm seeing your videos and you guys are improving. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.